Hi guys, and welcome to this Divi WordPress video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignertechtips.com. Well, I've just had some interesting news today. I've had an email from the Divi theme people and they've got a huge sale on. If you've been following any of my Divi tutorials and you're interested to get aboard with Divi, you might want to look at this. Divi is an absolutely awesome theme. As I've said many times, I've just built hundreds of sites with it, literally. And it keeps getting better and better. So if you want to jump aboard, now would be the time, and you can do that from an affiliate link below this video. So what do you actually get with this sale? Well, they're giving you 20% off because it's their 11th year anniversary. So that's a huge saving. And if we look at this email, they're celebrating 11 years. Biggest sale ever. If you're a new customer, you're going to get 20% off, which is pretty good. If you're already a member, you'll get 20% off lifetime upgrades. If you've got an expired account, you can renew today for 20% off. So there's a little something for everybody except me, because I've got lifetime membership anyway because I love it so much. And I don't see any benefit there to me, but I thought I'd mention this to you guys, especially if you've been watching my video tutorials and want to get involved with Divi. Like I say, if you're building any sort of WordPress site, you really want to take a look at Divi. It is absolutely awesome. So there you have it. Take advantage of the sale while it's on. It's only on for a few hours. So once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignertechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.